Do we see the world with eyes alone? Here it feels like there's a house that I've always known, so certain that something reminds me of a place and time that were only in my head.